Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am just gonna shoot it straight with you. This is just gonna be a quick update video. I've had some medical issues, and hence that is why I haven't been able to get back into the flow of doing videos again, and I apologize for that, but they are coming up now. My daughter Katie is putting in more hours here at the store, and that allows me to be at home more and allows me to do not only stuff for the store, but also get some videos done for you guys. So keep an eye out for those. And then in the meantime, I just wanted to give a quick update. We did a market on Main in July, and it was a huge success. I can't even tell you, it was so much fun. We had such a blast. I can't even remember how many vendors we had, 17 or 18. We had food, we had live music. It was beautiful. We are doing it again. My store is participating in a scenic shop hop coming up the last weekend of September. It is September 28th, 29th, and 30th. We are open 10 to 6 for the 2 days, 10 to 4, or it would actually be 9 to 4 on the 30th. You can pick up what are they calling them? A passport at any of the stores that are participating, and then when you visit those stores, you will get it either signed off on or stamped or whatever. And once you get through everything, you can turn that in and be entered for some drawings. Plus, we'll have some drawings here. We're doing a food drive in another market on the 30th as well. So we have that coming up. We have another market. I think we're going to do a Christmas one, early Christmas one in November. I'm really hoping that one works out because we have some fun activities planned for that. And then I have a couple classes coming up too, including next Tuesday, September 5th, we are doing kind of like a back to school. Ironworker Designs is releasing their holiday release that day. Normally we're closed, and it's also back to school. So we're gonna do a free make and take here at the store, and you all can come in and see the new products we have got in, at least 3 of everything. So we have plenty, and we can order more. As of right now, I think everything is still in stock too. So that's what we have going on. I don't know how quick before I get another video up, but I am working on it. I'm starting already with our holiday prep. So I may do a tour because we did some major rearranging here. We got a new candle line we're carrying. So everything's, I think, way different here. So I'm gonna probably get a tour done for you guys here, and then do another one right around Christmas because it's always decked out in here for that. So thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for some upcoming videos, and we'll see you all soon.